Hey crocheters, my name is Erin. I'm a crochet pattern designer and I love to learn new interesting crochet stitches and teach them to my crochet audience. Today I want to teach you guys how to do the shell stitch, also known as a closed scallop. This is a fancy looking crochet technique that uses 5 double crochets in one stitch to create this interesting scallop or shell stitch. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. I'm starting out with 18 half double crochets just as a foundation row for us to get started. So start by chaining 3 and turning. Okay, that chain 3 does count as a double crochet, but we're going to add 2 more to that first stitch, double crochet, and another double crochet. So you have your chain 3 and 2 double crochets, which counts as 3 double crochets. Look at that. So we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then in that third stitch, work a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches again, and then in that third stitch, you're going to work 5 double crochets. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and that's a little scallop. 5 double crochets in 1 stitch. Okay, then we're going to skip 2 stitches, and in the third, work a single crochet, and we're just going to repeat till we get close to the end. Okay, so skip 2 stitches, and now we're going to work 5 double crochets in that stitch here. Skip 2 stitches, and then you have a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, and then in this last stitch, work 3 double crochets. We started with 3 double crochets, we're ending with 3 double crochets. Then for the next row, we're chain 1 and turn, and we're going to work a single crochet on top of that first double crochet, and then skip 2 double crochets, and in that single crochet stitch we have here, you're going to work your scallop, work 5 double crochets. Okay, some people call this a closed scallop, other people call it the shell stitch. Five. Then you're going to find the middle double crochet. You can skip 2. And that third one, the one in the middle on the top, work a single crochet. Then skip 2 double crochets, and in that single crochet, work your 5 doubles to make your scallop, to make your shell stitch. Then to close off your scallop, you're going to skip 2 doubles, and on that third one, do your single crochet. And then on that single crochet down here, you're going to work your scallop. Then on top of that turning chain over here, which is like the third double crochet, you're going to work a single crochet. Okay, then you're going to turn. Well, I usually like chain 3 and turn. That's usually how I do it. If you want to turn and chain 3, you can go for it. And now we're going to do what we started with, where we have our chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. And then we're going to work 2 more double crochets into that single crochet. So it's like basically a half a scallop. Okay, then we're going to do our single crochet on top of that 3rd double crochet. And then repeat by doing our scallop in that single crochet down there. I hope that I'm making sense and that these scallops or these shells, you know, you kind of get the gist of it. I just love using this pattern for lots of different things. So it's kind of just second nature right now. Then on top of that shell, do your single crochet and work another scallop down below. Just want to show you when we get to the end. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then here we're going to work our 3 double crochets to have another half a scallop. So just repeat that until you get to your desired length. And then what I like to do is I like to finish it off with like a row of half double crochets, because you see how, you know, down here is nice and flat, but then up here you'll have your waves from your shells. So what I like to do is just chain 1 and turn. And then at each stitch across, you know, work a half double crochet. The first one, and in the next one. And if you want to, you know, make sure that you keep count so that you have the same stitches throughout. But just in each of those stitches, work a half double crochet. So it's not quite exactly even. If you want to do another one of half double crochets, you can. You're going to repeat those shell stitches to your desired height. So what did you think of that closed scallop stitch? I've used this shell stitch in baby blankets, bookmarks, t-shirts, and I just love the yummy texture. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and also tell me what crochet stitch would you like to learn next time. Please like this video and share it with one of your crochet friends. Then go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell so that you're notified next time I come out with another stitch tutorial. Happy crocheting!